Good afternoon, Salisbury, Maryland. We are just outside of the bypass working on this beautiful home in this beautiful weather. And man, just what a gorgeous day to be out here re-roofing this house. Just to give you a little bit of insight on this homeowner, he had a shingle that's pushing about 25 years old, a 3-tab shingle, and every time the high winds are coming, shingles are blowing off. So yes, this homeowner had a little bit of heartburn and knew that it was time to get his roof replaced. So what we were able to do was actually work with his insurance company and meet with the adjuster, talk about all the damage that he had, and got most of this roof replaced under his insurance carrier's dime. So we were able to help the homeowner out. That's what we're here to do. So if you know anybody that has storm damage or just needs a roof inspection, please call us. That's what we're here to do. We are professionals at this, and we're here to advocate for you. 443-675-6485. Give us a call. We'd be glad to help you out and get your roof replaced as well. Remember, measure twice, cut once, and always do it with precision.